Some hints on buying fresh fruits and vegetables. 1. Personally select your own fruits and vegetables. Ordering them by telephone may prove disappointing and costly. 2. Scrutinize a bargain carefully. If it is damaged stock, determine whether the waste will offset the reduction in price. If the price is low because of a temporary oversupply of the food, the reduced price may represent a real bargain. 3. Do not judge quality by size. Overgrown fruits and vegetables are seldom of top quality. In many cases, a safer standard is weight. For example, a small grapefruit, which is heavy for its size, will hold more juice than a larger grapefruit of the same weight. 4. When buying by measure rather than weight, be sure that you get full measure. Small fruits such as berries and cherries, and some small vegetables, are often packed in containers of various kinds. These may be packed very loosely, and sometimes the container is faced with specimens of excellent quality, which conceal the poor quality of the rest of the pack. 5. Remember that beauty is often only skin deep, and that blemishes may affect only the surface appearance of a fruit or vegetable. 6. Be considerate of other buyers by handling fruits and vegetables very carefully when it is necessary to test quality by handling. Tomorrow you may be the last shopper and find nothing but pinched, bruised, and rejected fruit in the grocer's trays. 7. Learn the names and how to identify common varieties of fruits and vegetables. Then you will be sure to get the kind that you want, and will not be disappointed when using them. And last, 8. Study the market columns regularly for information regarding available supply and current prices. Knowledge of this type is helpful in securing value for money spent. These were some hints on buying fresh fruits and vegetables.